Hi, this is Anthony. If your New Year's resolutions don't involve perhaps learning more about different types of investments, the stock market, your 401k at work if you have one, a Roth IRA, then perhaps you should put that down as one of your goals for the next year because it's important. Anyway, a lot of people have heard about Nvidia. I think that for most people who don't know a lot about stocks and who don't want to spend time putting their money in broad-based index funds like the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the Nasdaq 100, hopefully a combination of those three or more, is the best strategy for a well-diversified long-term portfolio. But for that part of your stock account that might be in individual stocks, if you want to do that, a lot of people are investing in Nvidia. It's been doing quite well this year, but let's look at one day. Of course, the market's closed right now. It's New Year's Eve, but it closed today down 2.33%. 5 days, it's down about 4%. 1 month, down 3%. And you're thinking to yourself, but this is the best stock of the year. 6 months, it's only up 8%, but let's look at year to date, which, because it's literally the last day of the year now, is going to be the same as the 1 year, up 178%. See that? 5 years up 2100%. And if you were to buy it back at the equivalent of 4 cents due to splits in 1999, you'd be up 335,000%. Okay, so pretty good. I am up about 161% on my investment in the company. So I bought it, I don't know, a couple years ago, maybe. Now, here's a fun tool. Let's compare it to another stock that's done quite well, starting to become more popular. Now, when you look it up, it's a bit confusing. So it's called AppLovin. If you type in stock app, then you get applications for your phone rather than this particular stock. Okay, so Nvidia is the blue line and AppLovin is the red line here. Now this is just for 3 months, and in 3 months Nvidia is pretty flat and AppLovin has done a tremendous amount there. 6 months, still doing a lot better than Nvidia. Year to date, still up much more. Look at that, it's up 747% year to date. AppLovin is. The 1 year, of course, is the same. 5 years, not up nearly as much as Nvidia. And then there's the max. It only goes back about 5 years. I have stock in both companies just by coincidence. I bought them at different times, but they're up within 1% of each other. I think one's up 161% and one's up 162%. Anyway, this is not a recommendation to buy these. It's a recommendation to educate yourself, look into them to see if it's something that might be appropriate for your well-diversified long-term portfolio. They've had tremendous rises, especially AppLovin, so there could be pullback. Don't buy it just based on this video and then be disappointed that it goes down overall next year. But let me know what you think. Do you own any of these stocks? Are you thinking about buying them based on this video or just because of your own knowledge? I'd love to hear what your New Year's resolutions are. I'll talk about mine in another video some more. So thank you very much and Happy New Year.